guys, it's Robin, RsIslandCrafts. Welcome to my craft room. I've had a few new viewers and subscribers recently, so I wanted to give you a little bit of information of what I'm doing this month. Many of you know that I'm taking care of my husband right now. He's gone into hospice care for cancer, pancreatic cancer. So this month, instead of doing my normal Friday video where I do a tutorial and I do a sew along with me, whether it's a quilt block or an entire quilt, or we do little bags, or just fun little things like little memory games, I thought I'd do a flashback Friday. I come on, do a little chat with you and show you something fun. Last week I showed you a quilt, but now when I Talk to Me Tuesdays, I'm also showing you previous quilts that I've worked on. So I thought on my Throwback Friday, Flashback Fridays, whatever, that I would start showing you some of the little creatures I've made. Now you're going to have to wait until next Friday to hear the story about these guys, but you have a little bit of a sneak peek of them. And then up in the iCard, I'm going to go ahead and put a video from way back when, or something that was fun and interesting that tickled my fancy this week, so that you guys can go back and watch an old video. So anyone who has already been here and followed me for a long time has watched most, if not all, of my videos. Maybe it'll remind you of a little project you might want to do for the holidays. It is Christmas in July time, so maybe you can go ahead and work on one of the older projects for a gift this year. And if anyone is new to the channel, then it's a great way to see some of the old videos and see what I do offer. As time goes by, we get into August, I will start making tutorial videos again, but for right now we're just kind of hunkering down as a family and we're laying low, and I'm using my energy and time elsewhere. But I promise I'll be back next month and we'll do some more tutorials. So go ahead and check out this video, and I'll see you guys next week. Bye!